In this lecture we will learn how to work with railings in Revit. You can use the file attached to this video to practice this exercise. We can build railings on stairs, or we can add a railing to a floor, for example to limit a balcony. In the example I show you here, I need railing stair to avoid people falling into the ground. And this is the current perspective in a 3D view. Okay, we have to go to the icon at the Architecture tab and select the option Sketch Path. As I am in the sketch mode, I need to draw the railing, and I will stay with the method it's already selected, the Line tool. Make the first segment on the left. Then click again at the corner to continue drawing, until I reach the wall again. Then click on the tick to confirm the railing, and switch to the 3D view to have a look at its appearance. Good, there it is. But to be honest, I'm not very happy with this result. You can see that the railing is placed exactly in the border, and I don't think this is a very practical way to build it. Due to that reason, we are going to repeat this. First, delete the railing, and activate again the Railing tool. And before drawing, this time have a look at the options bar. First, I'm going to check this box, Chain, because with this I will draw the lines continuously. Then I want to assign an offset distance as 100 mm, because I don't want to have the railing exactly in the extremity. Go to the balcony, draw the railing, and this time I have a margin of 10 cm from the border. And look that the segments in the corner trim automatically while I keep drawing. Let's click on the check mark again to confirm it. And then we need the second balcony. Other drawing method is with pick lines. Set the same offset distance. And then I head towards the second balcony. And now look, depending on the position of the mouse, I can offset in the inner side of the floor or outside of it. Okay, now it's done. Go to the 3D view, and you can see they look better. However, if I don't like the shape of this family, I can go to the properties, and there are others here to select. Just click in the one that suits you better. This is a pipe style. And the last one, a glass panel.